Hi friends, hope you're doing well. Today we'll be discussing about programming language, the most suitable programming language for automation testing. Yes, as per my understanding. Yes, there are multiple programming language you can go for. However, as I have dedicated this session for manual tester who are interested to shift their life into automation testing, I would like to share one programming language which is actually easy to start with, at the same time which is not a short term game. Okay, so you can go with that programming language as far as you want. You can work as a full stack developer with that programming language also. So the programming language I'm referring is Python. Yes, many one may think that Python is a scripting language, but the thing is Python is a full stack object oriented programming language. In Python everything is object. Yes, it's right that Python has a scripting language type flavor is there. You can do some scripting on Python. It's an advantage that you can start off with Python programming language at a faster speed. That's why. However, using Python, you can do full pressure programming. You can do product development. That's the thought behind that I'm suggesting you the programming language. Okay, that's all for this session. Keep the smart work. Keep smiling. Thank you.